Hari. Thank you very much. So, before proceeding towards the program, I would like to introduce our chief guest. So, Sir Pankaj Kumar, sir, he is DIG of CRPF. Yeah. So, we welcome sir and madam together here. Please receive our token of. We are very grateful that we have his guest Sankirtan Anand Prabhu here with us. He is a spiritual guide for many people here in IIT, many professors and many people for several years, I think more than 20 years. Prabhuji is serving we would request our students to give bouquet to sir. Thank you so much, sir. We request Pankaj sir to accept our token of a very little token of gratitude. And we request Verma sir to please accept. Thank you so very much. Keep it there. You can keep it there. Not there. Okay. Okay, so to continue further, I would request two of our sweet and very cute students from class 8, very, very intelligent, I must say, Sakshi and Oishi.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us this opportunity to continue the program.
A very good and warm morning to Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Sir, dignified teachers, all treasured invitees, parents and my dear friends.
On behalf of Sarathi Academy, I, Oishi,
And I, Sakshi of Class 8,
extend a very sincere welcome to each and everyone present here. Now, I would like to request my friend Sakshi to throw some light on our topic, Kritagyata.
Thank you, Aishi. कृतज्ञता मनुष्य जीवन की सर्वोत्तम विशेषता है। भगवान ने हमें बनाया, यह श्वास दी, तो सर्वप्रथम हमें भगवान के प्रति कृतज्ञ होना चाहिए। इसी प्रकार हमें अपने जीवन के प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के प्रति कृतज्ञ होना चाहिए। ईश्वर के बाद हमें अपने माता पिता के प्रति कृतज्ञ होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनकी कृपा से हमें यह जीवन मिला। हमें अपने गुरु के प्रति भी कृतज्ञ होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनकी कृपा से हमने यह जीवन जीना सीखा। कृतज्ञता इस दुनिया का सबसे महान गुण है। कृतज्ञता हमें यह एहसास दिलाती है कि अपने जीवन में प्रत्यक्ष या परोक्ष रूप में किसी न किसी के प्रति की गई हमारी जो सहायता है, अगर उसके बदले में हम उसे कुछ ना भी दे सके तो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन दिल हृदय से आभार जरूर प्रकट करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Sakshi. That was so beautiful. Parents के बाद जिनका स्थान,
जिनकी हाथों में है फ्यूचर की कमान,
जो जमाए पेरेंट्स की तरह,
वो है हमारे रिस्पेक्टेड अध्यापक।
a teacher plants the seed of knowledge and nurtures them to produce tomorrow's dream.
A teacher helps us to become a good person. Whatever we are today is only because of them.
So now let us welcome BS of class 10 along with Shrijita, Prarthana, Karthik and Siddharth to glorify our teachers and perform an instrumental song. So please welcome them with a round of applause. Yes, you are right. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears.
We dance for madness, we dance for fears.
We dance for hopes, we dance for screams.
We are the dancer, we create dreams.
So with these beautiful words, we would like to invite Shrijita of class 9 to present a beautiful Bharatanatyam dance before us. So please welcome her with a round of applause.
अक्षर बोलते हैं